Hello everyone and welcome. It's Helen here and I have my first layout for the month of May for Kitaholic Kits. As a starting point, I'm using the sketch that Virginia posted during our recent weekend of scrapbooking fun celebrating International Scrapbooking Day. And I've pulled this beautiful watercolour paper by Simple Stories from the May kits. I used my silhouette machine to die cut a few butterflies from some plain white cardstock, glued them on, and then decided to cut them out. Luckily for you, I saved you from watching that whole process, and here they are. I set them aside and decided that I needed to make my own background. What a surprise, you say! And if you haven't seen my layouts before, you know that I like to do this. It's one of my favourite things about scrapbooking, and in this month's mixed media kit, we get this wonderful set of watercolours by Vicky Booton. Now, as you can see, I had a lot of fun mixing colours to make this perfect shade of dusty pink to go on my background. What you didn't see though was this was my second attempt. The first time I thought I'll paint it on with the paintbrush and it'll look great. Yeah, no, it didn't. It didn't look good at all actually. It was too dark. So I chucked that piece of paper over my shoulder, pulled out another piece of basil marshmallow and set about making a nice softer, more muted background. Thankfully, the packaging technique really helped me achieve that, and sopping up the colour after I applied it ensured that it was a nice soft colour. And I probably should have stopped after applying the pink. But no, I was like, oh, there's a lot of green. I'll make my own green and it will look really good. Thankfully, I embellish a lot over the top of it and you don't see too much of it. I also thought a bit of stitching around it will really ensure that you can see that circle shape in the background. Probably should have actually traced around a circle to make sure I got a nice circle shape with my sewing, because it ain't a circle shape. But never mind. Maybe adding some more circle embellishments or elements will make you think it looks like a circle. So added the doily, and yeah, it didn't really help either. But never mind, the thought process was there. You can see here how wonky that sewing is. Anyway, I backed the photo with some tissue paper, just so it was a nice soft layer, and a little bit more of the patterned paper that is in the butterflies. Now it's a photo of my mum and high tea. You see, when we went to London in 2013, we went to the hotel next door to have high tea, because the hotel we were staying in didn't serve anything like that at all. Thankfully, the one next door did. And we had a lovely afternoon after a day of shopping and walking around London, enjoying this beautiful high tea. And I wanted to record that memory in my England album. As you can see, I've added a title. I used some thickers from my collection that I've had for quite a while. And then I opened up one of the exclusive Kitaholic Kits die cut packs and went through sorting it, looking for elements that had the colours that I wanted. And thankfully, after a couple of packs, I found all these roses and a few other little flower shapes. And after rearranging them a few times, I went, right, just glue it down, Helen. I was quite happy with how, just by chance, after placing the title, I could fit that bottom butterfly in beautifully. Anyway, a few more smaller elements, these leaves, and a few little flowers. I think I go and pull in a few, sequins, that's it. I knew it was something, little sparkly things. This generous pack of sequins is actually part of the main kit. So after positioning those, I pulled out these puffy hearts from Pink Fresh Studios, which is part of the embellishment kit, put them around the page, and then opened up this pack of stickers that go with the I Am range, and this is also part of the embellishment kit as well. Finished off with a few little round stickers to incorporate that whole circle idea, a bit of journaling, and my page is done. I hope you've enjoyed this. be wonderful if you subscribe or pop over to our Kitaholic Kits Facebook page or website and subscribe to our kits. Till next time, take care. Bye.